Welcome back. One of the important aspects to creating your information product will be creating a professional graphic depiction of the actual product. Now, you may be able to create a basic design that your customer will find attractive by using design applications like canva.com, which have a free side of the application and a paid side of the application. In a similar way, you can use applications like Adobe Express. One way to do this effectively is to have someone else do the design for you. You can find individuals on freelance sites like Fiverr.com. And if you use the search term digital product graphic designs, you can find someone that is highly rated and you'll be able to give them instructions on what you want your product to communicate. If your product is more in the business opportunity or make money online space, you can use a site like the Warrior Forum. You can look within the Warrior Special Offer section. You can also look within the Warriors for Hire section. And again, you are going to look for someone that is highly rated and experienced in communicating in graphic designs. And if you are uncomfortable with either of those sites, you can go to your favorite search engine and you can look for graphic designs, and you can use the search term freelance graphic designs, and you will typically be able to find someone that you can hire to create your graphic designs. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.